Hello guys, in this video we'll show you what heavier BBs clock in at when the chrono is set up on 02 grain BBs. Also we'll use me as a target so you can see and hear the impacts. The gun we'll be using is a Tipman M4, set up at 350 FPS, which is our FPS limit. I'm going to wear my Airsoft uniform, so let's see what the results are. We did every shot at exactly 5 meters or 16 feet, that's your minimum engagement distance. So this is what you could see if you got shot from 5 meters with 350 FPS and 0.2 grain. So if your gun shoots according to the rules, this is what it should say when you chrono it with 0.25 BBs. This is 0.30. This is 0.36. These are 0.40s. These are the heaviest, they are 0.43. So guys, that's about it. I hope you learned something about BBs dropping in FPS and the marks they leave. See you in another video.